Welcome back, viewers. From today, we are going to start a series on EndeavourOS. EndeavourOS is a Arch-based Linux distro. So this is the web page, https EndeavourOS.com. So just few days back, the latest version of EndeavourOS is released. That is the Artemis. So we will check it out in the later videos. So this is the main page for the EndeavourOS. So it has a friendly community, and you can check out the discovery, that is the knowledge base, EndeavourOS knowledge base, to know more about the system. You can find our wiki articles here. So if you want to check out the manuals, the issues, the resolution to the different issues of the EndeavourOS, so you can check it out here. So you can search by category. So for example, the ACPI kernel parameters category is there, AMD GPU category is there, applications category, audio articles, ARM category is there, AUR, that is the Arch user repository is there, Bluetooth, ButterFS, desktop environments, encrypted installation, EndeavourOS tools, grub and refined, forum lock tool option, hardware installation, Intel GPU, gaming is there, network, NVIDIA, Pacman, printer, signature and keyring, storage and partitions, system rescue, video tutorials and window managers. So everything that a user needs is available here. So I will now go back to the main page. So there is an easy to use installer. So it uses the Calamus installer for installation of the different desktops and the system itself. So total of 8 desktops environments and 1 window manager is there. So you can choose between XFC, Plasma, Gnome, Mate, Cinnamon, Budgie, LXQT, LXDE and i3WM. But there are more, of course there are more. So for the more, you have to go to the online mode. There are 5 community editions to choose from: Sway, Qtile, PS, PWM, OpenBox and an Endeavour exclusive window manager called Worm is there. The community editions are created and maintained by a team of community members, and there are 5 more options on the top of the desktops we already mentioned here and above. So a basic installation ready to tweak. So what does it do is, if you download the OSO and do the installation, there will be a basic installation, the XFCE desktop is installed, and further you can go online and then add the additional desktops to your installation. So this is how it works. So for example, there are some packages mentioned here. So Firefox package is there. So it is a powerful free and open source web browser. Then Pacman is there. Pacman is a terminal operated package manager for the Arch repositories. EA is there. So A is a terminal operated AUR helper. So that is Arch user repository helper that install packages from the Arch user repository with ease. And Firewall DR, it is a basic secure firewall with the default public zone running by default. And PipeWire, this is the new low level multimedia framework. It aims to offer capture and playback for both video and audio with minimal latency and support for pulse audio, jack, ALSA and the GStreamer based applications. Downgrade. So downgrade is a terminally operated package that lets you easily downgrade a package in the case of an update causes issue. And the NVIDIA installer, a terminally operated app that lets you easily install the right NVIDIA driver or the hybrid setup required for your machine. So of course we will all check all of these packages in our review. And now let us maybe we can go and check out the news. Okay, what we do is let us go and check the latest release, what it has to offer. So this is the latest release. It contains Calamus 3.2.60, Firefox 101 version, kernel 5.18.5, the Mesa Graphics driver has been bumped up to 22.1.2. Xbox server is now 21.1.3 version, and the NVIDIA DKMS drivers are 515.48.07. So there are many updates to the system, graphics packages, kernel, and the display managers, and of course the installer is there. And they have done some patching up to the different issues like the XFC, the i3 install issues, the XF4 install issues. The Budgie control center has issued some patches, and the installation option for EndeavourOS ARM has also received some patches. And these are the download mirrors where you can download the ISO, and these are the JPG keys to verify the download. So what we will do is, I will stop the video here. In the next video we will go and try to install an EndeavourOS Atlantis Neo. So that was the previous version, so we will install the previous version in the next video. Then what we will do is, we will try to upgrade the system. Let us see if the upgrade works properly or if we face any issues with the upgrade. So I will stop my video here. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.